Hello everyone, today is day 2 of our Zanskar trip. We started out from Manali fairly late today because as against our initial plan, which was to ride from Manali to Kurgyak, we decided to instead ride only to Jispa today, just to get a little acclimatized and take it a little easy. It was a breeze of a ride right from the beginning. There was slight rains here and there, just about until Sisu, which was soon after Atal Tunnel. Now Atal Tunnel was something that we were really looking forward to ride on because it wasn't there when we were here last, which was 5 years ago. It really felt like an absolute masterpiece, right? I mean, the kind of distance that it's cut down. Google just said it's a 2.5 hour ride to our destination for today, which is Jispa. And the condition of the road, so well lit and so beautifully done. There are security checks everywhere. It was quite an experience. We could obviously not resist discussing what it had been when we came here the first time in our life, which was in 2011. Rohtang was an absolute mess. It was something that we dreaded riding on, and over the years that had become better. But this time there was no Rohtang pass. So once we reached here, since we're carrying all our camping equipment, we wanted to camp in Jispa, considering there's so much camping ground. But somehow, after having done 10 rounds up and down from Gemur to Jispa somehow nothing really touched our heart. We didn't find the spot that called out to us. So we decided against it, and we're staying at this hotel called Hotel Bhaga Riverfront, which is right on the main road. Tomorrow is going to be Purne. Really looking forward to it. See you again soon.